wonder what made it move.
So maybe it was when it dropped last time.
I hear sounds. Definitely going in there.
I moved it too close. Yes. Okay, so that was the first part. I'll just lay it on the floor now. And then I have a little break where I add this to this. And then somewhere where I put it here so I can pour this thing on properly.
Whoa. So that's bucket number 2? No,
Yes, that
1. Yeah, 2.
that's 2. Yeah.
That is really amazing. So it's a way to transfer the liquid from one container to another?
Yes.
It's very elaborate. How did you come up with this idea?
I was thinking of doing something where this tipped and this would let go and do something else.
Mm-hmm.
It was more elaborate than this, and then I came up with this.
So it's the lever or the
Whatever it's called. This thing.
well, it looks like it could be a lever because it goes up and down.
Yeah. This is kind of tipping a bit. This.
And how did you decide how many, how high, how steep to make your angle there with all those blocks?
So I tried it with it this low, and I realized it wouldn't work. It needed to be really slanted.
So it took a while to get it to the right angle.
Yeah.
And was it easy or frustrating or?
I sort of just figured it out. I tried putting this on top, and that still wasn't enough. So I just put these up slowly. Both the ones.
So you kept adjusting the level, the height and angle. That's amazing. It works. That's the good part. You did it.
He made another one.
Oh, you made another one. Oh, let's see. So
It's
that
not
one.
finished yet.
Oh, so you're working on it. So it's the same concept. It's a lever, right?
Yes, it's another lever. Only it's supposed to. This is supposed to be attached to this. It's supposed to go like this.
Wow. All right. Well, I can't wait to see how your second one turns out.
I'm using this long rope.
Indeed, you are.
But why do you think it keeps moving over here?
Well, it looks like you're having a really great time figuring all this out.
I think this one's shorter, so I'm going to use this one. Because
Alright.
it doesn't have to be that long. Because the space between this and this is limited.
Yeah, you need to pick the right one. Well, thank you for sharing.
Yes, you're welcome.